Mighty, the Overdogs, the Boundless, and finally, the High Notes. Watch closely, folks. They're ready.
A bright day in the arena with normal visibility, a literal place in the sun for our contestants.
I warned them about suspending that giant duck above the cathedral. Too late now. Our contestants will just have to manage. The Boundless are strong-arming Vault 1.
Our teams are finally getting acquainted.
Relocating!
The Boundless grabbed a cash box.
Secure cash box 1!
Whoa! Rapid-fire takedowns. A contestant in the High Notes just wiped out several opponents in one go. The High Notes swooped up a cash box. Got the cash box. That contestant. The Boundless have the advantage now. Are back in the arena, folks.
Go for cash out B.
Let's get airborne.
The Overdogs have established a lead. The Overdogs just jump-started a cash out.
Oh, go!
The Mighty are re-engaging.
Yes!
The Mighty have started to unpack Vault 4. Swooped up a cash box. No matter who is in the lead, our sponsors are always watching, so our contestants will want to dazzle us with plays here.
This is definitely sponsorship material.
The Boundless stretch their limits, stealing a cash out with ease.
I wonder what else they can get away with.
Adversity for the Boundless, wipeout.
Looks like they just hit the ceiling.
That's a team fight.
The Overdogs just stole a cash out, leaving their opponents in the doghouse.
A move that definitely sets the stakes higher, Scotty. This event not only amps up the damage in the arena, but it also amps up the excitement for our beloved fans.
Cash out completed by the Overdogs. And just like that, a new vault has appeared in the arena.
I'm going down there.
Seconds left. Our contestants need to pick it up a notch. The Overdogs are on the leash. They're opening a vault. Cash out steal? I don't think so. An impressive show of vigilance.
Back to action. Back in play.
The High Notes are back in full numbers after being down to one contestant. Very impressive teamwork there.
Reloading.
Incredible! That's a cash out snagged by the High Notes. Ten seconds left.